Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by immediately enabling flight mode to cut cellular radios. This is required by regulations and prevents roaming charges. Once done, turn Wi-Fi back on so the device can use onboard networks. Make sure you know the exact aircraft SSID or system name printed on the safety card or announced by crew. You do this now to avoid being interrupted later, and to ensure the plane system recognizes a single device before attempting to connect and authenticate. Next, select the airline's Wi-Fi network and open a browser to trigger the captive portal. Many devices require a manual browser to authenticate. Once the portal appears, pick the plan Free, Short Haul, or Streaming Pass and complete payment or sign-in. This step grants you an IP and routing. Make sure cellular data is off and any VPNs are paused because they often prevent the portal from finishing. After authentication, the system will assign you limited or full internet access, depending on the plan. Finally, verify connectivity by loading a lightweight page or an airline-recommended test URL to confirm packets route properly. Once connected, conserve limited bandwidth by pausing updates, lowering streaming quality, and using cached media so your session stays stable. If you need to restore a stalled session, try one key troubleshooting move. Toggle flight mode off then on again to reset radios, re-enable Wi-Fi, and reopen the captive portal. This often forces a fresh DHCP lease and clears stuck authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.